Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Student, we are continuing with 10th chapter of business studies of class 12th, and today we are going to discuss capital market, features, types, and what are the methods of flotations of securities. So let's begin with capital market. Capital market can be defined as the mechanism which channelize saving into investment or productive use. Capital market allocates the capital resources amongst different alternative uses. It intermediates flows of savings of those who save a part of their income from those who want to invest it in productive assets. Now, what is the nature or features of capital market? Link between saver and investment opportunities. Capital market is a crucial link between saving and investment process. Deals in long-term investment utilize middlemen, determination of capital formation, government rules and regulation for operating it. What are the features of capital market? Capital market is divided into two markets. First is primary market, then is secondary market. Primary market is also known as a new issue or fresh market, as in this market securities are sold for the first time, that is, new securities are issued from the company side. There are various methods of flotation of securities in primary market, like public issue through prospectus, offer for sale, private placement, right issue, electronic initial public offer. Second type of capital market is secondary market. The secondary market is the market for the sale and purchase of previous issued or second-hand securities. In secondary market, securities are not directly issued by the company to investor. The securities are sold by existing investor to other investor. Sometimes the investor is in need of cash and another investor wants to buy the shares of the companies, as he could not get directly from the company, whatever might be the reason. Then the both investor can meet secondary market and exchange securities for cash through middleman called broker. So what is the difference between primary and secondary market? In primary market, sale of new securities done, whereas in secondary market, second-hand securities sale purchase are done. In primary market, securities are issued directly by the company side, but in secondary market, securities are transferred between the investors. Capital contribution or formation. Primary market contributes directly for capital formation. Secondary market contributes indirectly for capital formation. Entry. All companies enter the primary market to raise capital for their operations or for their need. But only listed company securities are bought and sold in the secondary market. Geographical location. There is no fixed geographical areas for primary market. All the institution, bank, foreign investor constitutes primary market. But there is a fixed geographical area and working hours. Price. Price of securities are fixed by the management of the company. Price of the securities are fixed by the demand and supply factors of stock exchange market. Whether it is a time of boom, recession, depression or recovery time. So, the method of flotation of securities in primary market, I would just want to repeat it, is public issues through prospectus. Second one is offer for sale. Third is private placement. Fourth is right issue for existing companies. And the last is EIPO. It stands for Electronic Initial Public Offer. It is the new method of issuing securities through online system of stock exchange. So students, that's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.